making some slime, and I'll tell you what I made. Alright, and today we made is slime, and we ain't going to show you how to make it. We just used body wash, blue man soap, and we mixed it all together with some kind of stick and put it in the freezer. So now this is the finishing product. We mixed it all around.
I put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes.
Here's the product.
Yeah.
Slime. So here's how mine looks.
And here's how mine looks.
This is mine. Wow. Da-da-da. Whoa. As you can see, I made a little container right here. Wow. Do you see that, guys? Slime. And all I'm going to do, go ahead and put this back in the refrigerator so it won't get all sticky or something. I'll put this back in the freezer, so 1 minute. That's hers. Hi guys, we're back. And we're going to show you another thing that we have. And it's pretty cool.
Okay, be back.
Just be right back. Alright guys, we're back. And as you can see, guess what these are? Guess what?
The magnet little balls.
Magnet balls. As you can see, we got them out of this container. Had a little square for them to see.
Oh, hold on, guys.
And here they are. Wow. See this? Awesome. I'm going to show you what I can make with it. I'm going to use 2 beads. And
this is our dog.
And this is my puppy. She's a little French bulldog. And 1 minute. As you can see, guys, guess what I made on me. Guess what I made. Hint, hint. I made this little mouse piercing.
Okay.
As you can see, it's stuck on because there's another one inside my mouth.
Yeah, and look at that. Watch.
And I'm gonna make me a hoop earring.
Me too. So
let me pause it. You can mostly do everything with these. You can make necklaces. You can make tubes. You can make nose piercings, mouth rings, everything.
What? I want to make me a nose piercing.
No, you can suck it up in your nose.
Oh.
Alright, and that's the finishing product.
And
magnet beads and slime. Please, guys, get this video up to 1 million subscribers because we've been trying for 5 years with this YouTube channel. We don't even got 5 yet. So please, guys, try to make it up to 1 million. Probably try to make it up to 1 million.
Let's see if we can get this video to 20,000 likes.
Yeah, and 1 million followers. I mean, 1 million subscribers. Because, guys, we've been trying for years. So, there you go, guys. Slime magnet balls. Bye. Like and subscribe on the HNS Toy World. HNS. And I'm going to add up 8 for April. Alright, so bye.